Hello people, today we are going to be talking about suit storage or how to take care of your suit. Remember that your suits are your investment. So how do you store them to enable them to last for a very long time? In this episode, I'm going to share with you 4 important tips on how to keep your suit. The first tip to store your suit is to always use the hanger that came with your suit. And a hanger like this. If you've been buying from our shop before, all of our suits come with a hanger like this, plastic. Sometimes they come in plastic, sometimes they come in wood form. You should use this always, okay? Thomas, I know that sometimes you use this to store your suit. It's wrong. Please don't do this again. Now, if you hang your suits with this hanger, it helps to retain the shape. Let me show you. As you can see, when you hang your suit with this hanger, it helps you keep the shape. It retains the shape of the shoulder and makes the suit looks good. As you can see, it retains the shape and it's in very good condition. Okay, let us try to hang the same suit using the hanger that John likes to use. As you can see, when you hang your suit like this, there's an immediate dentra that appears here. It spoils the shape of your suit. Okay, so Thomas, please don't do this again. The second option to make your suit last is that you should always dry clean your suit. If you want your suit to last, do not wash them. You need to dry clean your suit. You should always dry clean your suit. And even with that, you should dry clean your suit a maximum of 3 times in a year. Yes, let me come closer so they can see my face. 3 times in a year, you should dry clean your suit, maximum. The reason is that dry cleaning is a very harsh chemical process. It subjects your suit to a lot of chemicals. You wouldn't want to dry clean your suit every week or every 2 days and subdue your suit through that process all the time, okay? Also, the last tip is do not fold your suit. Yes, I understand. Whenever you want to travel, you have to fold your suit. That is why your suits always come in a suit bag. So you just have to put in the suit bag, and then you fold it like this. You can fold it like this for an example. And as soon as you get to your destination, you unfold it, and then you use a steam iron just to bring back the shape of your suit. Get it? And that is it for today. Do not forget to subscribe and follow, and be ready for the next video. See you next time.